India recorded the world's highest single-day COVID death toll on June 10th. The huge jump in number came after Bihar revised its figures and put the total number of fatalities caused by COVID-19 at 9,429. India reported its highest single-day spike of 6,148 deaths, pushing the total to 3,59,676. It has been officially confirmed that the districts in Bihar were not doing accurate reporting of COVID-19 deaths during the second wave of the pandemic. In a verification drive launched by the state government on May 18th, it was found that 3,951 deaths had not been recorded in previous fatality reports. Till June 7, the state's total count of COVID-19 deaths was 5,424. After the revision, the tally went up to 9,375 on June 8. The highest number of unreported deaths of 1,069 is from Patna. Now, Patna district's total has risen to 2,293 from 1,229. After Patna, 316 new COVID deaths were reported from Begusarai, 314 from Muzaffarpur, 291 from East Champaran, 228 from Nalanda, 162 from Madhubani, 150 from Darbhanga, 122 from Rohtas, 102 from Kaimur, and 97 from Buxar, where 75 unidentified bodies were found floating in the Ganga. The numbers are shocking, especially when seen in comparison to the first wave. New figures after the 3-week audit imply that 1,600 people died of COVID in Bihar between March 2020 and March 2021. The number of deaths in just 2 months after that, from April to June 7 in 2021, was a staggering 7,775, about 6 times more. The state's health department said about 72% more had been added after verification from all districts. It gave a breakup from 38 districts but did not specify where these additional deaths came from. The principal opposition party in the state, the Rashtriya Janata Dal, has attacked the ruling NDA government after this, saying that the state government is fudging figures to hide its failure to handle the coronavirus crisis.